Oh, there it is. Okay, so that was our friends dropping off some Malabar spinach from their farm. Never heard of Malabar spinach before. It looks kind of just like spinach, maybe a little bit thicker. It has this like reddish tip on the bottom. That's kind of pretty. So we'll give it a try and figure out what this thing is. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of What the F is This series. Today we are talking about Malabar spinach. And if you've never heard of it, that's okay. We didn't know about it until one of our friends gave it to us. It comes from the more tropical areas of Asia and also Africa, where it's basically treated like any other leafy vegetable, kind of like spinach, but actually it's not related to spinach at all. So we're pretty lucky that we got it from a friend because we've never actually seen this in any local market. But our guess would be that if you have like an Asian or African market or maybe a farmer's market, you might get your hands on this as well. The Malabar spinach has two different types. One that's completely green, known as the Bacilla alba, and the other with reddish purple stems that bleed into its green leaves called Bacilla rubra. It's rich in vitamins A and C, iron and calcium, and even has antioxidant properties. The spinach is safe to consume cooked or raw. Malabar spinach loves to grow in hot temperatures and in full sun. It actually grows on a vine, so if you plan to grow it yourself, make sure you build a support system for it, let it grow all the way up towards the sun. Malabar spinach doesn't keep well, so once it's harvested, make sure you consume it right away. It'll last about 2 to 5 days in the refrigerator. You can also keep the stems long and then keep them in water, sort of as you would any other herb or leafy green.
Malabar spinach is tough enough to withstand the heat of cooking, so it's great for soups, stews, and stir fries, or whatever cooking application you need it for. It's really great for salads as well, because it gives like a nice texture to it, plus the lemon and pepper tone that kind of uplifts flavor in salad. Upon closer inspection of a Malabar spinach leaf, when bitten or torn, you'll notice that there's a little secretion known as mucilage, but it kind of reminds me of aloe vera. There are many Asian dishes that include Malabar spinach, like I said, from like soups, stews, stir fries, and in India they use Malabar spinach for dumplings, fritters, and put it in gravies and curries. So this thing has a ton of versatility, which is what we want to showcase here on our What the F series. So today our cooked version of Malabar spinach will be making a Malabar spinach Korean pancake. And for our raw, we'll be doing a nice, refreshing Malabar spinach and nectarine salad. So let's get into this kitchen. For our Malabar spinach salad, we'll just need a handful of Malabar spinach and field greens, slices of nectarines, slices of cucumbers, drizzle it with some balsamic vinegar and really nice olive oil, topped with some crushed almonds, and that's pretty much it. Very, very refreshing salad for summer. For our Malabar spinach and kimchi pancakes, we're going to cut all of our vegetables into thin strips. And we've got Malabar spinach, kimchi, carrots, green onions. And for our pancake mix, combine cake flour with water, some salt, some pepper, and mix that together with your vegetable. Now you're ready to cook. With the pan on a medium-high heat with some oil, just cook each side until it's nice golden brown and crispy, and that's your Korean pancake. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed that one. The links to the recipes are in the description, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.